Hello guys, today is Friday, right? The last day of the week and the last week of the month. So I wanted to make a quick video to show you how, to tell you how where price is leading, I mean. So I'm gonna make a quick video on Aussie because I know a lot of people like to trade Aussie. It's a simple pair. Aussie, I think, is the most easiest pair. So price is selling like crazy. Price is gonna sell. If you guys can see, look at all this time Aussie was following this trend line. Look at, you see, and then while he was doing that, he was making a big double top M formation. Look at right here. Look at, and now he's dropping. You see, and he come to test right here, come back down. It's testing right here, and it's gonna drop. Aussie is dropping. Let me go into the monthly to show you guys. I mean, the weekly is gonna be easier to see. Let's go into the weekly. Look at, look at all this space. Look at this space. Look at, look at all this space. You see this? Price is gonna drop like crazy. Look at how much pips is that? About 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips. And guys, believe me, it's gonna make it. And as you guys can see, look at, anytime price has to drop, look at what price, how price touched this trend line before it dropped. Look at, I'm talking about the green trend line. Look at, one, two, three, four right here, right, and five. Now he tested. Now what I'm expecting price to do for the next month, I'm expecting one candle that's gonna come right here and go all the way up to test somewhere around here, like test somewhere around here. Okay, price is gonna come to test somewhere here and then drop. Price is gonna drop, guys, believe me. Price is dropping, and it's gonna drop, break this level, test it, and then drop till it reach this zone. And if you guys can see, look at, this is a big resistance. It have been used like a support. First it bought from here, same thing, bought from here, bought from here, and now what happens is price break this level. So it tested one time right here and drop, use this as a support, and bought. You feel me? And now price is dropping. As you guys can see, it's dropping because this is a key level. And if you go into, let me, if I take my fib, you're gonna see what is happening right now. Let me take the fib. If I put the fib right here, and you see the level where price is dropping from right now is the 0.5 level, and price test the 0.6 level one time. So what this mean price is gonna go back test right here, but for me I think it's gonna go a little bit higher than this, but it's gonna be one weekly candle that's gonna come around somewhere around here, this level, around this level, and then drop. That's gonna be the test of the new month, because price closed under the price closed under this support zone. Look at how many a candle has been under the support. One, two, three, four, five. So now this support zone become a resistance, but at the same time is like only two monthly candle that's closed under the support zone. So this break the zone, this come to test it. So one is gonna come, another candle is gonna come right here, go all the way up to test it somewhere around here, and then start dropping. Price is dropping. It's gonna drop like crazy from here to here. And this price is doing the same thing as a cat. I wanted to show you Euro USD, but let me show you CAD because CAD USD CAD, because I don't want this video to be too long. So let's check on CAD. This is USD CAD. If I mean, so one thing I like to do, I know all the pairs are doing the same thing, and when I want to trade, when I want to trade one pair, I like to I like to take the reverse because I'm good at selling that buying. When price is buying, I don't see really what price is doing, but when it's selling, I see clearly what is happening, and I have my entry easily. So what I like to do, I like to take the reverse. This is CAD USD CAD, right? So I have here CAD USD. It's the same thing, but it's the reverse. You feel me, guy? It's the same thing, but it's the reverse because I'm good at selling. That's why I'm laughing when I see people saying, "Oh, I'm good at selling that buying," or "I'm good at buying that selling." So when price is buying, they don't know how to do because they are confused. Me, what I do is that I take the reverse like this, so I know exactly price is doing because my eyes kind of feel and see better when price is in this position. So that's why I take the reverse. That way I know what card is doing. Then I can go back to the real USD card and then take my decision, guys. So if you guys can see right here, you're gonna see that card is doing the same thing with maybe some people will be confused. That's what I'm trying to explain. You guys have to understand that this is USD card, but I just take the reverse. If you go into your trading view and you tap right here card USD, you're gonna see the same thing like this one. It's gonna be USD card, but it's gonna be the reverse. For those of you who are good at selling or buying, and then when times come to buy, you don't know how to take trade because you are more good at selling. You feel me? When price is going bearish, I mean. So I tune this to CAD USD, and what I see right here is that price. This price is doing the same thing as um, Aussie. Look at Aussie. This candle come right here, breaks, and then test it. Right. This is the monthly, and look at CAD USD doing almost the same thing, guys. The same thing. This was a big support zone. Let me go into the weekly. Look at this was a big support zone. Look at how many times price tried to break this. It couldn't. Look at, look at how many times. I even can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then now he breaks it and go back. You hear me? Price went back right away, and now look at right here. It was 1, 2, and then boom, it went back. But look at right here. We have this candle that breaks it. This stay under, this one stay under. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guys, if you see this kind of thing, that obviously price is gonna but if you take it at if you look at the chart at this position, like card USD is gonna sell. But if we go to USD card, what I mean is that price is gonna buy. Price is gonna buy, and it's the same thing. Look at all this space. Look at all this space. Look at all this space where price is going. Price is gonna take right here, okay, and come all the way down right here. This is gonna be crazy, guys. We gonna make a fucking freaking money, guys. You see, and what price is doing, this was a really big support zone. Look at, anytime price touch it, price go bearish, okay. And now he breaks it. What price is trying to do right now? When he break it, price is trying to do a kind of double tap right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Boom, and it's going. That's why price have been trying That's why price have been trying to break this level, but it can't. So what I'm expecting this for the month of August coming is that a candle is gonna start right here, somewhere around here, and then go test this level and come back inside right away. Okay, come back inside, and one is gonna test right here and then drop. It's gonna be like this. Let me show you guys. It's gonna be like this. One, two, price go like this, come back like this, and then drop. You feel me? So this is gonna be like this. It's gonna be a kind of double top, but one candle is gonna come like this, going to test it. This is what I think. It might not reach here, but I think it's gonna reach here because of this level. Price need to test this level. You see, this was a support zone that have been breaking, but price didn't test it. So it might come to test it and then drop. So don't be confused, guy. Don't be confused. Let me show you something. Because I didn't mark up CAD USD. I didn't like the way I mark up CAD USD there. So let me show you CAD USD right here. No, here's not the best place. Let me show you CAD USD. Yeah, I think it's gonna be somewhere around here. Yeah, it's right here. Look at what CAD is doing. Look at this level. Look at, you see this level? I show you the reverse. That was CAD USD. Now I'm showing you USD CAD. This is what everybody used to trade. So look at this level. Look at, this was a strong zone, and anytime price passes, price go bearish right away. Look at, and then now price breaks and then stay up here with lot of candle. Look at all this candle. What price is telling you, hey, listen to me. Price is telling you, listen to me, guy, I'm gonna buy. So if you think I'm gonna sell and you short me right here, you're gonna be crying. So this is what price is doing. You see this double tap and then boom, gone. You feel me? But what I was telling you guys is that, look at, this was a zone. This was a kind of big zone too. You see, price come right here. It couldn't. It breaks it. It come back to test it and go all the way up. And now price breaks it, test it and go. But right here, when price was buying, he didn't test it. So that's why I think that the next month, week weekly candle, one weekly candle is gonna come to test this one and go like this, like this week. You see this weeks, I think that this is what is gonna happen here. It might come here, it might not, or it might come to test, but maybe it's not gonna come all the way down here. It's just gonna come to test this zone and then buy somewhere around here and then buy. So this is what I was explaining. Price is gonna be it's gonna do something like this, like this, like this, like this, come right away and then buy. You feel me? So if I put this here and I move this here, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Price is gonna do something like that. 1 2 3, come back down here and then buy. You feel me? So this is what I'm expecting. So I'm doing this just to show you direction. I'm gonna do other videos to show you how to get entries in the market, but this is just to show you direction. And then let me show you 1 yen pair. I don't know if right here I have it right. Let me see. Now, let me go back right here so you guys gonna see what I want to show you in, yeah, right here. So let's go into GBP Let's go to GJ. So if you guys can see, GJ, all the yen pairs are gonna buy like crazy. They're gonna buy like crazy. Look at, you see, I already mark up this one. Look at, you see this? This is a big I mean M formation, or if you guys call it double bottom or W formation. Yeah, let's say that W formation or double bottom. This is doing this thing. Look at right here, and then boom, gone. You feel me? Gone. This is why how it's gonna play out. I mean, this is my thought. This is what I'm thinking, guys. Trade out at your own risk, but I think that this has like 70% chance to happen. 70% chance to happen, guys. Is a big W formation. Look at, very big W formation. Price is going, and not only that, but look at, and you guys have to understand something. I'm gonna make a video to teach you when price is doing a W formation or a M formation, price is gonna have a hard time going through this area, like one one bottom, double bottom, right? One bottom is gonna, when its price is gonna be doing the first bottom, is gonna be like this. Price is gonna be like moving sideways. You feel me? And if that one is done, you're gonna see the second two. Look at the second two. Price had like hard time making this thing. So you're gonna see price going like this, up down, but obviously it was doing the second bottom of the W formation. You feel me? And when it's done, this is how it's gonna be when it's done, and you have to do the second part of the W like this. You see? Look at how this went fast. You see? Look at right away, and then start making this. And now he make this. He made this. He has to make this. So it's not gonna be like this way. It's gonna be fast. It's gonna be like this too. You feel me? So this shade has a lot of pips. A lot of pips, guys. Look at. Look at. Simple as that. Simple as that. So what is happening right now is that maybe you guys have to go learn about W formation, but what I can tell you about W formation is that anytime you're gonna see this kind of setup, what this means, price is gonna buy, but while it will be buying, it will be retracing. Price is gonna buy to come to this zone, breaks it, come back to test this zone right here. Okay, this zone is gonna come back to test it, buy, come back to test this zone, and buy again till you reach this zone, or you stay somewhere around here. So what you see here, guys, sorry, what you see is like price breaks this level. Okay, look at how price came back to test it. Price came back to test the trend line, and now what price is doing the same thing. They are all doing the same thing but at different level. Look at, price is doing a W formation. When if you are a beginner, you're not gonna understand what I'm telling you. But for me, even in a higher time frame, I'm able to see a W formation. When I see this kind of setup, somebody will see like just blue black, but for me, I know that is a W formation. Price breaks this level. Look at, price breaks this level and it's testing. Price is testing the level. Price came all the way down, to test this zone, because this itself, this is the big one. Look at, this is the big W formation, right? This is what I show you. And at the same time, for price to be able to go to this place, he needed to make a small W formation. What is that W formation? Is this one. You feel me? Is this one. So the first step is gonna be right here, and it's gonna break it and come somewhere around here. Okay. And now he made this W formation. So this was the middle of the W, like this middle of the big one. So that's why price sold and come back to test the middle right here. The same thing when price is gonna buy to come somewhere around here, it's gonna come back to test the middle of this big W formation. So when it tested, this was a big zone of resistance. Okay, look at, uses that as support to buy, as support here to buy, and then here it kind of tested and dropped. Okay, so price reach here, that's why he's selling, but he can't sell because price already test this zone and break the trend line. So price is not gonna sell and come back in this zone again. That's why price hold this level as a support and trying to make a W formation before he start buying. That's gonna give him liquidity to be able to buy the way he want and go where he's leading to. You feel me? So this is a kind of W formation. So what I'm expecting for this next week, you see, this is like this, like I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what I mean by that is that we got one black, one green, one black, and one candle is gonna come, maybe come all the way down right here, test this zone, and then buy. And at the time, this is the monthly, right? When it's gonna touch this here, this place, it's gonna buy and break this support. Okay, buy, break this support, test it, and start to buy till he reach this zone. It's gonna be like long time. Maybe this can take a year and a half or 1 year. I don't know, but price is buying. When you know that it's easy to trade, when you know that you can say that you're only gonna get at this in this thing when it's buying. Like if you are a swing trader like me, if you see the a candle right here and you take it for buy, you can hold it for 6 months, for 1 year if you want. Price is not gonna come back there. So anytime you're gonna see a key level where you know that price is not gonna come back, simple as that, you take trade. You add a lot size and you wait, you hold it, you keep your trade running, and then price is gonna work for you literally, and you're gonna make money like you printing. You feel? So let's go into the weekly and we're gonna see, you see price is holding this level. Price is holding this level. And for me, price come close to this area because you need to come back here, test, and then before you start going. As I was telling you guys can see right here. This is making like a double top. You feel me? Come like here, right here, and boom, it's gone. A double top on a support. Understand this, guy. If you see a double top on a support, does mean price has to run like crazy. Prices will be running like crazy in the direction of the double top. Let's go into the daily too. You see, guys, I short this market because I know he has to sell. And now I think price is gonna come to test this zone a little bit and then boom. So guys, this video was just to show you direction of the market, and I'm gonna be doing other video to show you how to get entry, how to be patient and get entry, get the best entry possible, and not be stressed, because this is one thing people used to stress when it's come time to take trade, because they don't want to lose money and they don't know if they are getting in the market in the right place. I'm gonna show you, and after that I'm gonna start making some videos to show you guys, because I know a lot of you guys want to pass the FTMO or other companies challenge to be funded. So I'm gonna start showing you how you guys can trade to have to be funded easily. How you guys can take trade and be funded is easy. This process, people are rushing it. That's why they fail the challenge. Sometimes people are good, but they're kind of afraid when they pay money and they want to pass a challenge, and then they have only 30 days to to make 10,000 or 8,000. So I'm gonna make a video to show you guys. So this was me. Peace, guys.